We're about to dive into the truly wild and, frankly, violent story behind something you might even be wearing right now, your gold. It's a story that connects something so familiar, so solid in our hands, to one of the most powerful explosions in the entire universe. It's pretty incredible.
Seriously, just take a second and think about what that really means. Any gold you have, any piece of it, is a literal remnant of a cosmic cataclysm that happened long, long before our solar system was even a thought. And get this isn't just some cool theory anymore. It's a physical reality we can actually prove. And the name for that event is a kilonova. Now, this is not just any old explosion. A kilonova is what you get when two of the absolute densest objects in the cosmos, these things called neutron stars, which are the collapsed cores of massive stars, spiral into each other and just collide. It's the universe's true cosmic forge.
Okay, so you've probably heard of a supernova, right? For a long time, scientists thought that was where all the heavy elements came from, but it turns out a kilonova, well, that's a completely different beast altogether.
And here's the key difference. A supernova, that's the death of just one giant star. Yeah, it's powerful. It creates essential stuff like the oxygen we breathe. But a kilonova, that's a merger of two dead stars. It's an event so insanely energetic it forges the heaviest elements there are, like platinum, and you guessed it, gold. A supernova just doesn't have that kind of horsepower.
So this is an amazing theory, right? A cosmic car crash that forges treasure? But how do you go from a cool idea to solid fact? I mean, how could we possibly see something like this happen across the absolutely mind-boggling distances of space? Well, the answer comes from our newest eye on the universe, the James Webb Space Telescope. It basically became the detective that finally caught this cosmic alchemist red-handed.
Just try to wrap your head around that distance for a moment. The light from this explosion traveled for 900 million years just to hit Webb's mirror. When that explosion happened, the first complex animals were just starting to show up here on Earth, and Webb saw it. It actually saw it happen.
So what did Webb actually see? Well, it saw the flash, of course. A flash so bright it outshone its entire galaxy. But more importantly, it saw a specific chemical fingerprint, the element tellurium. You see, in cosmic chemistry, finding tellurium is the definitive sign, the absolute proof, that gold and platinum were just created. This is the smoking gun, no doubt about it.
Witnessing this event didn't just confirm a theory. It gave us a front row seat to the most powerful and, honestly, the most productive factory in the entire universe. Think about it. Ancient alchemists, they dreamed of turning lead into gold. Well, the universe actually does it. A kilonova is the real deal. It takes the crushed up guts of old stars and, through just imaginable violence, transforms them into pure treasure. So here's how it all goes down. You've got two tiny, city-sized objects, but each one is more massive than our sun, and they're spinning violently around each other. Finally, they collide, unleashing an explosion that literally rips apart the fabric of space-time. And in that one brilliant moment, a cloud of freshly minted gold is just blasted out into the cosmos. And the scale of this creation, it's just staggering. From that single kilonova event that Webb witnessed, scientists calculated that it forged enough gold to build 100 solid Earths. 100 from just one explosion. I know, all of this seems so distant, so impossibly cosmic, but the final and most incredible part of the story is how we bring it all the way back home. Right back here, to you. So let's just trace that journey for a second. Billions of years ago, a kilonova explodes. The shimmering gold-dusted created travels across the galaxy for eons. Eventually, that exact same dust gets swept up in the cloud of gas that's going to form our solar system. It becomes part of the molten rock that forms Earth. And then, after billions of years of geology and all of human history, a tiny little fraction of it is mined, refined, and ends up in the jewelry we wear today. So the next time you look at a piece of gold, remember its story. It isn't just a metal. It's a relic from a collision of dead stars. And it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other incredible cosmic histories are hiding all around us, in plain sight, just waiting to be told?